The elegantly smooth cone of Mount Mayon in Albay province makes it look benign from a distance. But don't be deceived, Mayon is a devil in disguise, the most active volcano in the country. It has erupted more than 40 times since 1660. However, aside from being known as a sacred and active stratovolcano, it was famous for its own legend. The folklore explains how Mount Mayon was formed and was named. A long time ago, in the town of Rawis, there lived a datu who was Raha Makuso and his wife, Diwani. As the time passed by, here comes the day when the Rabang Mayon was born. The datu's wife gave birth to a baby girl named Magayon. Unluckily, Diwani passed away after giving birth to a child. As the time passed by, Magayon grew up as a beautiful lass for her father to be proud of.
Ibahan mo ako, lilibuton yatong duwaan ka kulang.
Because of Magayon's alluring beauty, she is described as fresh air in an open rice field, like the lovely scenery of the Bicolanja, like the butterfly flew around the garden, like the fragrant smell of the flowers.
Mumuyahon kundi ikaw, papadabaon ka, sagod pa man kita magurang, daing ibang papadabaon pa kundi ikaw. Marabason kita, binagalanta ka, piling at asin, mga pang pasalubong. Sana na pa umatagang maray sa kogalan. Padabata ka, daing ibang mumuyahon kundi ikaw, papadabaon ka, sagod pa man kita magkurang, daing ibang papadabaon pa kundi paano ba kaya kung sabihin ko na patabata ka, daing ibang umuyahon kundi ikaw. Walang ibang gugustuhin kundi ikaw. Walang ibang mamahalin.
Because of the magnificent characteristics of this young lady, many suitors cherish her, especially Pagduga, who showered her with his precious gifts.
Do I need to face them all, Ama?
Yes, my dear daughter. You need to find your future husband because you're not getting any younger anymore. So please, my dear, you need to choose your behalf today.
Magayon, I offer you this as soon as
Magayon, I give you all these flowers and fruits that I pick by myself.
Gentlemen, brother. Maybe you want to go home now. All of you are just wasting your time because I will be the one who'll have done again. Magayons, yes.
Correct. Alright, Pagtuga. Take this Magayon as I take my home.
Namumot ako sa imo, daragang Magayon. I love you and I'm ready to marry you right away.
Pinuno, maybe the princess is a little bit shy.
Daragang Magayon, don't be shy with me anymore. You can say you love me unwillingly, marry me.
Forgive me, Pagtuga. But dai ako namumuyo sa imo. I do not love you.
Daragang Magayon, wait!
Pinuno, don't make a scene. Let's go.
No!
Let's go home.
I don't like!
Pagduga loved her so much that he wanted to get her love and he will do anything just to have Magayon's love.
Why? Why does Magayon don't want me, huh? What else is she looking for? I am handsome, a son of a great sultan and also have a bloodline like her.
Because you're too close.
What did you say?
Nothing. What I'm trying to say is maybe the regiments that we offered for her is not enough. Maybe we need to add more stones, jewelries, diamonds, pearls, and many more.
Kawan, hey! Are you teasing me?
No, kid. I am just trying to make me feel better.
Well, it is not working. I need to marry Magayon. You understand?
Yes!
She is the only one I want to marry.
Pinuno, stay calm. This is what you should do.
Kailangan
Give her time to think. After that, then court her again. Like that.
But there's also a young man by the name of Ulap, the son of Datu Kaliraya from Katagulan, who traveled so far to see for himself the beauty of the Ragang Magayon of Bicolanja until he came to Rawis. Peaceful and warm day, Magayon decided to go in the Yawa River so she can take a bath together with her Oripon. The river is like a silver ribbon laid across the land. Where she reached at the side of the river, she didn't know that there's a young man watching her every time she took a bath at the Yawa River. Ulap had a rainbow of hope that they might end up with each other. While Magayon was playing around, Ulap just enjoyed watching her until Magayon slipped off from a stone and fell down on the deep part of the river.
What are you doing here? Keep your distance from me. I don't want to talk with someone who's watching me from afar.
It is not like that, Magayon.
It is what it is.
No, Magayon. Let me explain. Magayon!
Ulap then hurriedly came to rescue the drowning lady. When Magayon came back to her senses, Ulap was the one taking care of her who obviously admired her. Magayon was very grateful and thanked him so much for saving her life.
I owe you for saving my life.
But still, that doesn't change what I saw earlier. Still, thank you.
It's not. It's my duty to save and help people. That's what my father taught me.
The day went smoothly, but it feels like an endless day for them. After that, they felt comfortable with each other until they became lovers. As time went away, they see each other more often until they decided to get married.
At Diyos mabalos sa imong gabos dato makusog.
At Diyos mabalos sa imo aking.
Mabalos sa inyong duha. What can I do for you, my dear daughter?
Dato, we came here to let you know that I want to marry your daughter. Please let me marry your daughter.
No!
But I want to marry him, Ama.
Why? Give me the reason.
Because I love him.
How can you prove me that you love my daughter?
I am not rich, and I can't give Daragang Magayon this kind of life she has. But I promise that I will love Daragang Magayon. At Diyos mabalos sa imong gabos dato makusog. I am Ulap from Laguna.
I'm just kidding, Ulap. I know that you take care of my daughter. I'll give you the blessings to marry my daughter. But promise me, you take care of my princess.
Thank you, Ama. You heard that?
Pagduga came to know what's happening, but he is against on the love they're fighting for. His jealousy crept in him and anger bottled up inside to the point that he had a dreadful idea.
Pinuno! Pinuno Pagtuga! Did you hear the news that are pouring everywhere?
What news? Tell me immediately.
According to what I've heard, Magayon agreed into marrying your number one rival, Ulap!
Magayon, you really took that far. Will my patient can hold it anymore?
Who's with Pinuno Pagtuga? We are with you, Pinuno! Just tell us what you want to do, Pinuno.
Now, I will hunt but in a new way. I am no longer hunting animals, but I will now spare a man. Now, get Dato Makusog, and we will use him as a trap to his one and only daughter in Mahirog, Magayon.
What are you waiting for? Let's end this!
Then suddenly, Pagtuga kidnaps Makusog and threatens to kill him unless Magayon consents to marry him instead of her beloved Ulap.
I will take Magayon! Fight! Where's Magayon? I will take Magayon!
Pagtuga! You are shameless! I will not marry you!
Come here! Follow me!
Let go of me! I will not marry you! I do not love you!
Come here! Follow me! Come on! Come here!
Pagtuga! Let me go! I will
Come
not
on!
marry you!
Don't follow me! Come in!
Pagtuga! Let me go! I will not
You
marry
can't
you!
follow me!
Let me go! I will not marry you! Pagtuga! Let me go! I will not
follow
marry
me.
you! No!
Are you sure you don't want to marry me?
Ano ba ngayon? What? What? Ano? Let it go, Pagtuga!
Aim him! With the sword! Magayon! Magayon!
I will not go with you!
What? I'm excited to see again may Magayon because Dato Makusog give his blessing to us.
Really? Pinuno?
Yes.
Look, Pinunong Ulap! Is that Magayon?
Let her go, Pagtuga! I am the one you should face and fight!
Afterwards, the battle began. The tension was getting worse on the two forces fighting for the lot of the Ragang Magayon. Many were killed by the boastful Pagtuga as the revenge of Ulap for his men. The war continued from the attack of the warriors of Katagulan. The humble and the brave was the one killed the strongest man of Pagtuga. Pagtuga led to a bloody battle because of their love for Magayon. They badly want to kill each other and the best man would win the hand of the Ragang Magayon. When Ulap came by the chance of killing Pagtuga, he grabbed it to end his evil plans in the midst of the battle. The Ragang Magayon ran to Ulap. Ulap saw her and their eyes sparkled with all the love in their hearts. Magayon was rushing joyously to meet her beloved. But before she could get into Ulap's arms, she was struck by an arrow. After the battle, the Ragang Magayon and Ulap died together. They gazed upon the place with their sparkling eyes reminiscing the tragic experience. The world does not care to hear your sad stories. Instead of leaving this place known for its sad happening, let's leave this amazing paradise with a happy memory.
Magayon!
that the sky was full of dancing stars. The vines wove their delicate fingers as if they were happy that the place will be remembered as a place where true love exists.
Natanong ko, so, why does Magayon and Ulap are together?
The love of Magayon and Ulap has an example of eternity love. Even they alive, they're both in love each other until they die. They deserve a better burial together because love is eternity. Love is forever. Goodbye, Magayon. Iniirog kita.
The Mayon volcano legend, which tells of two star-crossed lovers, buried bodies being the seed which the Mayon volcano grows, has been proven according to believers, who saw two faces kissing in lava from the volcano's eruption. Was it really possible?